Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today I'm bringing you a mixed Fendi haul and I am so pleased that I was able to get my hands on this interesting mix of items from Fendi. Now, to start off this unboxing, I wanted to share with you this beautiful gift that was given to me for Lunar New Year by my lovely sales associate at Fendi in the Queen's Club, Sydney. Hi, Aaron. And he had these cast himself for Chinese New Year. And they are a scented little rabbit with a little floral dried arrangement, and it clips onto your vent in your car as an air freshener. And the scent is so divine. Look how cute it is, and it's got this little diamante on the nose there. So gorgeous, and a little hair flower as well. I thought that was such a thoughtful idea, and this was something that he was not going to post to me because it could have been damaged in the post. So it was great timing that I was heading down to Sydney, and of course I was always going to be popping into Fendi to say hi. So I have some pieces from Fendi in Sydney, and then I have a piece from the fabulous Una, who is based in Japan. I talk about Una a lot on my channel. She is at VintageLover83 on Instagram, and she sources and sells vintage Fendi baguettes, and her reach is extraordinary. She has a beautiful collection herself. If you're in the market for something a bit different, definitely check out Una's Instagram, because she has a personal collection that's fabulous, and she changes up her personal collection quite often. And so if you see things that you like of hers, chances are she might be moving them on as well. So it's a bag. It's a bag that I got from Una, and I just cannot believe that I was able to get it. And that's how this network works. So anyway, Fendi, Sydney. I did not go in looking for anything. Connor actually wanted to go into Fendi, and he walked out empty-handed. Lets me do the heavy lifting every time, doesn't he? So this is so... I just love the experience of luxury shopping, and for me, I'd take it any day over the alternative, you know, to save a couple of $100 and buy pre-loved. Even though I have in this case, I think the luxury experience for me, I just really enjoy being able to see things, experience them. I got to see a lot from the new release Spring Summer 23 women's collection as well. The pieces I bought, one's new and one's older, and it's something that I'd been thinking about for quite some time. So the first one is entirely the fault of Lisa from Life and Luxury in the Middle. She has a new YouTube channel. Go check her out. I'll link her in the description box below. But she recently bought the mohair Fendi baguette, and she styled it in her unboxing video with this thinner strap. And I was like, I need to have that strap. It is fantastic. It has a little D-ring here so that you can put a nano on. That's what we played with in the boutique when I was trying it on, and I have to say, oh my god, it's a vibe. Now, I already have one of these straps in the thicker strap U style, and the colours are reversed, so it's more white than black, but this one is totally a vibe together. Look at that. I'm going to put in some of Lisa's mod shots over here so you can see how she styled it, but I really think it works beautifully. These straps are super comfortable to wear. Now I'm going to have to attach a little nano on it so you can see. Talk about utility. What about a picot just for fun? That is so cute. I am loving it. Thank you so much for the inspiration, Lisa, and for adding to my never-ending Fendi wish list. Of course, I'll be able to wear this strap with other pieces in my collection, especially my white mini peekaboo. This will also work with my violet peekaboo as well. I'm pretty sure I could make it work with my green peekaboo. So but ultimately I wanted it for this bag after I saw Lisa's mod shots, and yeah, thanks Lisa. And guess what? There's something else in this box. These are the things that I have been thinking about forever. And when I was in store, I just had to ask if they still had them. And they had one pair. Of course they had one pair. And I had to get them. This one is totally Wen Stokes on Instagram. I blame you. I blame her for this purchase. I looked at the beanie for a long time, but I don't really have cause to wear beanies, and I have a couple already. But these little baguette gloves, honestly, I have continued to think about them, and she has styled them on her Instagram so many times, and I thought, when am I ever going to have a chance to get another pair of playful gloves? So I decided to jump on them, and I'm going to put them on for you. But what I am going to do is take these gloves to my tailor and have the fingers cut out of them and make them into fingerless mittens. So I'll probably cut them at the first knuckle and have them sewn up so that I have the option to wear them in more temperate climates. But look at these, aren't they divine? Are you getting a sense of a theme in this? It's very, come on, Vogue. They're just beautiful feeling. I've got all my rings on, and I didn't actually try them on with my rings in the boutique because I didn't want to damage them. But these ones are made of wool, 100% wool. And yes, I live in a subtropical climate, but you know, I'm not stuck here forever. So here is the little silky baguette. It's got a little bit of stuffing inside, and inside, I mean, I could fit in my AirPods. Will they fit in there? They will. I don't know why I would do that. I could probably pack like some snacks, maybe. Let's try that on for comfort, shall we? It's totally fine. I love it. Love it. All right. I know you guys think I've lost my mind. It's fine, maybe I have. No complaints from me though, but these are super cute. All right, to the main event. Now, I requested that Una send this without a box so that we could get it here in the quickest possible time at the cheapest possible rate, because I was not budgeting for this bag, but I could not buy this bag. This bag, pretty much since I saw it released in the Fendi Cruise collection, I wanted it. I talked to you guys about it a few times on lives, and a lot of you had actually sent me links to it or said that it was available in America. It was an exclusive release to the United States and Japan, I believe, so it never came here. But Una did a beautiful job in wrapping it up for me and making sure it was all secure. I'm wondering if any of you can guess what it is. Any guesses now? The fabulous Una was kind enough to offer me, before she sold it more, before she advertised it, her gorgeous lilac sequin mini. I just think the colour of this, and yes, more sequins, I know, is divine. And I was so tempted by the regular size, but I have the original Purple Rain, and I didn't want to be spending $6,500 on another purple sequin baguette. Now, Una never used this one, which I just can't believe that, you know, she has a lot of baguettes to choose from. I also know that, but I can't believe that she refrained from using it. It's all stuffed beautifully inside. She's even included spare sequins and the care booklet as well. And it has that gorgeous Tiffany blue interior. Now, this was one of two minis that I was chasing from Fendi Cruise. The other one was the green sequin, and it doesn't look like it was even put into production, so I feel like I have to give up on that particular model. But I cannot believe that, I'm just putting the straps on here, that I was able to pick this one up from a trusted friend and fabulous seller, and also for the same price that she paid for it, because there has been a significant price increase. So I was just like, yep, absolutely, send it to me. I'll worry about it later, you know, I'll worry about it later. So this haul is very interesting in the fact that there's quite an obvious color theme here. Look at this little beauty. Look, let's just put these together here. Oh, I'm going to be like the purple winter yeti. This is just an absolutely gorgeous vibe. As you know, I also have the lilac leather. It is my color. Hold on a second. So here we are side by side for comparison. Aren't they just a dish? This could absolutely be a double bag moment. I haven't even had a chance to think about how I'll style this one yet. I'm sure that I will do that and share it with you on Instagram. I've done many videos around what fits in these bags. I'll link a couple of them in the description box below. This one is just beautifully finished. It has, if you can see, if anyone's worried about sequins coming off, it still has that knot on the sequin at the back, which is where my pink one failed. So it's hopefully not a sign that that will happen again because of where it is, but if it does, I can definitely take it into Fendi and get them to fix it. I know it's not ideal and I don't wish that on myself, but I will not purchase beautiful things because there's a potential for them to not, you know, stay pristine. There's always a way to take care of them, and practicality is not what we're about. Definitely quality, and you could argue quality, and I could agree with you there for sure, but honestly, how could I refuse? How could I refuse? A mini sequin. I now get why all the people who bought the mini sequins in the pink and the red and the black love theirs so much. It is such a vibe. Thank you so much, Una. I just, I can't tell you how thankful I am to be able to have this one in my collection. Of all the pieces that I have here, I'm super happy with them. I really need to stop, slow down, and, you know, enjoy what I have, because I have a lot of really nice things. And looking at what's coming in spring, summer, I feel like I'm going to be okay for a bit. Although the made to orders are coming up soon, so that could be a little bit risky. Anyway, let's not go there. So this is my little Fendi haul, a mishmash of different pieces. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes some extra ones. I'd love to see you back here. Until then, ciao.